really love these big moss-covered rocks in here.
Weak on this side.
Places.
This would definitely be a corner model, this one here.
Yeah. Well, like I say, the top of this one isn't too bad either. Oh, you see a good one? Let's see. No, I don't think so. No, there's...
Too AC?
Well, doesn't have much of a... Well, it has a little S-curve in it, which I guess is not a terribly bad thing, but... What do you think? You think about just the top 3 feet? Or?
Well, yeah, down in here maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, there are no branches until you get within the top couple of feet.
Yeah, you're right. All right.
Yep, reject.
Yeah. Okay.
How about this little one? Oh, there are more. There are more up there on the hill. How far do you want to haul it to the car?